Are you having Mother's Day brunch? Oh, you want to feed some to Grandma? Don't take mine away. Mommy have some?
Give some to Mommy.
Huh?
Give some to
Mama?
Mommy.
No? Alright. This object. I am unfamiliar with this skirt business. Good job, sweetie. Silly girl. Now let's see what she does with them by herself for a second. Oh, mess them up. Yeah! You trying to make them make noise like brother does? Yeah, good girl. Mommy's proud of you.
They are quite jingly.
They are. They're fabulously jingly. Maybe put one on her foot. See if she likes that. What are you doing, Allie? Are you eating fluff with a rib? Allie!
What is she doing?
Look at her.
What is she doing?
She's eating fluff and investigating fluff. Okay, with a rib.
What are you watching in there?
Sorry, you can have some off of baby's rib. Oh boy, your whole hand in there? Yay!
We might have some fluff.
We don't.
Scotty, if we had fluff, it would be from like Thanksgiving. Hi.
It's still good without fluff.
Oh, you gonna paint with the fluff? Poor Scotty. I'm sorry, honey. I didn't know how much fluff there was left.
That was the same